Guys, welcome back to Small Farm Guys. Today we're going to be walking you through how to replace the teeth on the baler. It's a New Holland Super 68. I will put a link to where we got the teeth in the description, and we'll put it up on the screen or something. But this is why we're replacing them. We've got some teeth here that are broken and completely missing, and then some are both broken off and just part of spring maintenance. It also is adding about 1/4 of an inch, so I'm going to walk you through the next steps. You'll see us taking this thing apart. Alright, so first step is we're going to remove these bolts. And we are just doing every other one here because all you need to get to is the bolts for the other things. But remove the bolts up top here. Okay, that'll slide down. Don't lose those bolts. Now we're going to go to the back. We're going to take the back ones off. Alright, so we're at the back. There's 2 bolts in here. Got to get this last one out. So unscrew it, and now just pull down. Alright, so when you do this, you don't have to take off every band, you just have to take off every other one where the bolts go. If you want, it's probably easier to take off every band, but it's easy for me to take off every other one versus taking them all off. It's just more screws, they'll come off the same way.
Alright, so in this part we have this bar, circular bar here, that we have a nut attached to this bolt, and once you take that nut off, you can get the teeth out with a little tap of a hammer.
And it works a lot better to use a hammer to tap these back in than it does to try to twist them back in. Make sure you're stacking these clips the right way. I've just been looking at the other teeth as I go along to make sure I'm doing them right. And then I just slip that in there and you just twist it on in. Twist in, line up the hole. Grab your bolt. These never want to go back in right, so you just kind of get them started here. Tap them on in. Come over to the baler. Drop it back in. Keep tapping this little pin down because it seems, for me anyways, it keeps on to turn. So I just tap it in and tighten it up a little bit more and keep working it until it's snug. Hold on, tooth in the way. Tooth again. Okay, don't knock my bolts down. Just getting these finger tight in here so we can get them all on, and then we're going to go ahead and go back through and tighten them up. Alright guys, that's all the teeth that we've taken off. We've got one, we ordered one as a spare. You need 24, I ordered 25, so that way middle of the season, say we break one of these sides off, we'll just go ahead and replace it. Until next time, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe for more. videos.